Guys, big news. I'm finally moving out of this dark, noisy, suffocating apartment. Congratulations, Simple. So you'll be scrolling through Instagram from the streets now? Fresh air, 5-star ventilation. Moving out? Simple. What's the occasion? No occasion, Professor. I'm just done with this ground floor apartment. No sunlight, no air, bro. I just found a 16th floor apartment with big balcony, premium view, classy community. Classy. So you finally found people to ignore you in elevators? You know what, Professor? For the first time ever in my life, I'll be living alone, independent and peaceful. And yes, the rent is twice as much, but completely worth it. Twice the rent. Let me guess. You got the pay raise, right? Oh yes, Professor. A long overdue one. Bro, I'm making double now. So naturally, time to live like a king. So you mean, it's time to be broke in HD? Simple. Let me remind you, upgrading lifestyle for sure will make you feel rich, but in reality, it will make you poor. Simple. Professor is exactly right. You'll be the most sophisticated broke guy in your classic community. Wait. What do you mean by broke, guys? I just got rich. Simple. Rich people don't spend more when they earn more. They upgrade their savings, not their lifestyle. What? Nobody taught me that. Professor, please get me out of this lifestyle trap. Bro, please teach me what the rich do once they get the raise. Sure, Simple. But you are not alone. 43% of millennials in India instantly upgrade their lifestyle as soon as they receive a raise. Thanks to a psychological principle called as the entitlement effect. Let me explain. Clinical psychologist Shreya Manat explains the financial freedom we experience after getting a raise urges us to spend on things that never bothered us before. When people start earning more, they think they deserve more. Better homes, new phones, or experience at premium restaurants.
So there are people like me.
You're right, Professor. I didn't find this apartment dark and stuffy until I got the raise. And suddenly, this is too small for my big salary. Classic Simple. By the way, guys, my friend Neha did the same thing Simple. She got a raise from 6 lakh to 9 lakh. She shifted to a premium apartment, bought the latest iPhone on EMI, and started fine dining on weekends. By the year end, Professor, she had no savings. So technically, bro, she didn't climb the financial ladder, she just bought more expensive stuff. Thank God I've got you guys, or I'd be bankrupt with a balcony view. Well, Simple, we are the only thing standing between you and a tent on Marine Drive. Professor, I'm warning you, don't steal my witty dialogues. But Simple, the entitlement effect is just half the story. There is another silent villain called social comparison. Research from Mintel 2024 shows that 53% of millennials in India make purchases based on social media. Everyone's trying to match others' highlighted reel. Speaking of highlighted reel, Professor, I think we both saw Simple's new iPhone new me story after his bonus. Right, Mr. Apple class? Bro, I'm a meme now. Professor, I was just thinking, don't you think people fall into this trap just because they celebrate their achievements more than their efforts? Good point, bro. I think people overestimate control and underestimate luck. Most pay raises aren't just personal triumph, they are often outcomes of market timing, company profits, or just plain luck. If people realize that, they would feel more grateful than entitled. You are right, Professor. Bro, I've been doing the same work since years, and suddenly the market turned positive and boom, company profits, employee raise.
So I didn't earn a better lifestyle. I just got lucky.
Yo, Socrates of the poor, are you deep thinking about asking me what the rich do after their pay raise or thinking what to eat for dinner? A little bit of both, bro, but let's go with what the rich do once they get the pay raise. Fantastic. Simple. Now is the time you learn how the rich build a temptation field once they get a pay raise. Let's begin, guys. Alright, guys, it's time we discuss top 3 research backed financial habits that will stop Simple's lifestyle inflation and also make him rich. Rich habit number 1, the Save More Tomorrow program. This one's genius simple. You basically commit in advance, months before the race. A portion of your future increased salary automatically goes straight into a separate savings account. You don't touch it, you don't even see it. It disappears into your future wealth. Psychologically, this financial habit works because while entitlement effect makes you spend on things you feel deserve, the Save More Tomorrow program beats that by using inertia. When you pre-commit, reversing it takes effort. And as we all know, humans avoid effort like gym after New Year's. I wish I had done this before I started searching for apartment. Well, simple. Better late than homeless. Rich habit number 2, implementation intention. It's a simple rule. If X happens, then I will do Y. In this context, for example, if I receive a monthly raise, then I will immediately transfer X amount to a separate savings account without even checking my balance. This turns savings into reflex, not a debate. Exactly. The entitlement effect works through justification. I deserve this because I earned it. But implementation intention removes that completely. And moreover simple, research shows that people who use this method had 30 to 40% higher consistency in savings compared to those who didn't. Oh, Professor, 40% more savings.
That's like a bonus I never had.
Okay, bro, what's the final one? Rich habit number 3, mental accounting with friction based savings. It sounds complicated, simple. It's not. When you receive a raise, don't dump all of it into one big account. Instead, split it. Label them with a purpose like emergency fund, dream home fund, retirement fund, each with its own separate hard to access savings account. You know what, simple? Recently I read an article where studies in rural India show that workers who saved in 2 separate envelopes instead of one saved significantly more, nearly about 200%. Whoa, 200%. Those laborers are richer than me then. How is that even possible, Professor? Bros, right, simple. The entitlement effect reframes your money as something you deserve to spend. Segregating it reframes it as something you promised your future self. Psychologically speaking, once you commit your money to certain future goals, spending it feels like breaking a vow, triggering loss aversion. In short, simple, while those workers had savings discipline, you had balcony dreams.
Oh, now I should think like laborers to become rich.
So simple, what it will be? Should we help you back for the 16th floor? Or order pizza and you can start your wealth journey over here? Bro, is that even a question? When the second option has pizza and becoming rich in it, why should I even listen to the first one? Wait guys, I will open all the windows of this apartment. We will feel like we are on the 16th floor. So what about you guys? Will your next pay raise go into status updates or savings upgrades? Think about it. And hey, like, share and subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh.